Hi, my name is Tara Nugent. I run a robot, making me a robot operations manager, and I'm also a welder's helper. I was recently divorced. I had been married for 17 years. I have 2 small children. I was a stay-at-home mom, so I went straight to Workforce Solutions, and I stayed probably 2 or 3 months, showing up every day, 8 to 5, sitting in as many applications as I could, just doing my best. So back in 2020, I graduated from TSTC, top of my class with honors, honor society, with my welding certification. I never went into the workforce with it. I stayed home taking care of my kids. My career advisor recommended the WIOA program, and here I am welding and doing something I love and enjoy.
Tara Nugent is one of my co-enrolls. She is a Choices customer and she is also a WIOA customer. And she told me that she wanted to do something in welding. And so I was like, where is the perfect employer for that? And Thumper Fab came to mind. I was like, okay, cool. Let's go find out what they're using and what they're needing right now. And of course, they were needing some welders. So she came over, she did the interview, she did the testing, and the next day they were ready to hire her on full time.
Our partnership with Workforce Solutions in East Texas has been a great and growing partnership. We were very much a startup company when we first started moving in equipment and machines to this facility in 2019. It started out with 3 people, and we're just over almost close to 80 people now. So we've grown rapidly, and our partnership with Workforce has really helped us to achieve that growth and keep up with it.
I was scared because I hadn't welded in 4 years. I literally put my helmet down when I graduated, so I was really nervous. I was really scared. But starting here at Thumper, my manager has been a blessing. He helps me. He's done everything he can to make sure that I thrive at my job. I'm extremely proud to work for Thumper. Extremely proud. I love side-by-sides. So now that I get to be part of building them and putting the stuff into them, it just makes it even better. I love it.
She's doing outstanding. She's still here and she's continuing on and learning so much. She texts me all the time saying, thank you so much for this opportunity, and I couldn't have done this without the workforce.
I never thought I would be here, not even 6 months ago. And here I am, and I am thriving. I see a bright future for me and my kids. I see a wonderful future being able to make it on my own. I haven't ever been on my own, so this has been wonderful. Pay my own bills, I take care of all my stuff myself. Anybody can do this. After 17 years of being at home and now this, I believe in yourselves. Always have hope. Never, ever doubt yourself.